I'm Kunda, the voice, the face behind YourFavMD. You are welcome back to my channel. So today, class is officially starting, and I mentioned in a previous video, I think my back to uni, that I'm starting with public health. So uni started last week, but today is our first class in public health. And yeah, I think by the time I upload this video, I would have gone at least more than halfway through public health. So I could have gotten half of what it's like. There's like field trips and stuff like that, which I'm excited for, but people are like, public health, it shouldn't exist. But I don't know, I'll judge when I have experienced that for myself. So yeah, this is the beginning. It's about 8:10, right? And my class is for 14 hours. But so today, I'm calling today, this is where being a medical student, being an entrepreneur, and being in ministry comes to meet. Yeah, it's that type of day. So this morning, like right now, I'm about to go out to, I have a hamper, a birthday hamper to make for a client, which is needed by Wednesday. Today's Monday, so which is needed by Wednesday. And trying to tie my shoelaces. And yeah, so that's basically what I want to do all morning. I need to go to East Park, I need to go to Manda Hill, and yeah, I hope to be done with all of that in good time to come back for my lecture. Of course, if I'm not done and time seems like I will have to come back for my lecture and see how we can, I don't know, get things done tomorrow. But I really hope to finish everything today. Yeah, that's pretty much my day. Oh yeah, then 14 hours my class. Then in the evening there is YourLW Specials with Pastor Chris. My nails need filing. Like I need to find time to file my nails, and just because they're just so rough, so crooked, and bruh, you know those sharp edges that are just going to scratch you anyhow when you're trying to do just something basic. That's the state of my nails. And also the gel is coming off, so I need to get that in place. But OOTD, yeah, OOTD, wearing this brown top from Mr. Price, jeans thrifted, and sneakers that you guys see all the damn time. So yeah, I have to go out right now. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe now, honey, and welcome to my channel. So let's get right into it. You guys, the tired that I am tired. Damn. The first mistake was wearing sneakers. Like I should have just worn my slippers and gingerly walked and let the sun be in my feet, because my toenails hurt. Like I literally have to wear Crocs to go to the hospital. Even Crocs are feeling like that's doing too much. Like I need my feet to be free. But the walking that I walked, it's like from that time that I left like at 8 something, and this is 1 p.m. I have 30 minutes to lay my head and get out of here, because I am even fasting and there's nothing. Like literally, guys, let me show you what I've taken like 10,000 steps. I don't know if you guys can see or something, but I don't know what I have signed up for, but oh my god, I feel low-key very satisfied, to be honest. This is something I like, and as much as it's the first time I'm doing it, something I've dreamed of. But I think I just underestimated how much has to go into it, especially the first time that I'm still trying to familiarize myself with vendors, the best places to go, and things like that. Guys, my throat is dry. Let me just drink water, take a nap. I don't even a nap, just lay my head, then we go for class. I have managed to get, let's say, 95% of the things that I need for the hamper that I'm making. What's left is one thing that I'll get right nearby. I did check on it before I left. It's just that I didn't get it because I was like, okay, let me go and compare with where I'm going in front. But guys, I feel like I can collapse. But I collapse at the hospital, they give me the extras because ish. And then the roses. I think we'll have them delivered or something. But that's that. I don't know why the light is doing that. I noticed it like 2 days ago. I don't get it. Anyway, guys, that is how my entrepreneur meets medical student day is going. Oh my gosh. See, the light has stopped, so I wonder what the problem is. Anyway, you'll get it. So I don't know where to put my phone, so I just got back. Yeah, I just got back from the first class. It was okay. It was chilled, nothing hectic, because I mean, we're in public health. Anyway, so a little story time. Last week, Wednesday, I think it was Wednesday, guys. I don't know if this lighting is doing, but then that's why I thought I should record this video while we still have some light. But yeah, last week, Wednesday, I think it was Wednesday. Yeah, that day I was fasting as well, and so I was offline all day because yeah, so I came back online like at past 5 p.m. and I found 2 messages from 2 different people talking about, oh, why aren't you here to get your award? Oh, you missed your award or something like that. The messages will be there, and I was very confused. I'm like, award? Me? For what? From who? From where? Like, I was like, oh, actually they were giving best students awards, and I'm like, oh, best student in what? Like, what ceremony? Like, I don't know nothing about that. And long story short, it's not even a long story, that's the whole story, that last week Wednesday there was a white coat ceremony at my university. I didn't even know there was a ceremony happening that day, like, bro. But it was kind of my fault that I didn't know, though I do feel like my university should have communicated that in the message. I missed the call, not because my phone was not near me or anything. The call declined simply because it was from a strange number and it was through WhatsApp. So that's how I ended up missing that thingy. And yeah, I was best student, and I think in pediatrics, I just got my award. Let me just tell you guys that initially when I found out that I missed, I was kind of bummed, like, oh my gosh, especially that I was home all day. I was like, I could have gone, like, you know, I could have gone. And just the thought about how I would have dressed up and all of that stuff, only to receive my, in fact, even before I received my award, I was too curious. So I asked someone who also received the award, like, what did they give us? Like, is there some money or something, you know? And he tells me what they gave us, and I'm like, well, I think I would have been more mad if I attended and I was dressed up and they gave me what they gave me. Anyway, let's unbox, guys. It's even unboxing. It's even supporting my phone, so I don't know what will work. This angle is not angling, but this is what my award came in. What is the award, ladies and gentlemen? So there's this metal keychain with a silicone strap. Let's see it. Yeah, so this is it, Unilas branded. And last but not the least, 2024 calendar. Like, I appreciate the award, I appreciate 100% the recognition, because of course it takes a lot of hard work to come out as best student. And yeah, I just think that I deserve a certificate. They should give me a certificate, because am I really going to be here telling a story about how I was best student with no official evidence? I don't think so. What's the evidence? I could have just bought this. Do you understand? Like, I could have just bought it. But that was that, guys. Your girl is exhausted, and right now I think I want to have some rest, and we'll go on with the rest of the day. I will have to deliver my client's hamper tomorrow, so I have to do that tonight as well. I can still do it in the morning, to be honest, so I think I should just give my time to studying. I think I'm also just kind of curious of how it's going to come out and stuff like that, but honestly, even in the morning I can do it, because even tomorrow's class is at 2 p.m. and that is that. It's intricate. Weave together perfectly. It unfolds, and I need you each moment. Oh, that I would know the peace that you bestow. And we are done studying. So let me give you guys a little recap or introduction to what I was studying, right? So I was studying ischemic heart disease, also known as coronary artery disease, also known as coronary heart disease. yeah, so basically what's happening in this disease is that there's not enough oxygen going to the heart, right? And this could be due to two reasons, right? Either there's obstruction, like mechanical obstruction, or the demand of oxygen from the heart is higher than the supply, which may happen like during exercise and stuff like that. So in mechanical obstruction, the most common is atherosclerosis. Yeah, atherosclerosis. And other causes could be stenosis of the artery, could be I just studied. Anyway, little intro, guys. And then now I have to go and cook. While I cook, while my food is cooking, guys, I'm doing what is it called? All in one pot. I don't know. When I find the phrase, I'll put it there. But I'm basically putting everything at once and letting it cook. So yeah, while that is cooking and I'm waiting for it to be ready, I'm going to be removing my toenails and just filing them down. I think I told you guys on Monday how they're just long and they look bad. Some of the gel has peeled off, so I just need to tame that and look prettier. And then what are we doing? Yeah, after that I have my bath, and then I have to study my notes from YourFavMD yesterday, and today is day 5, you guys. If you have never studied the book of Revelation, so you have, and you just feel like, what am I even reading? Do I have understanding of this? All of that good stuff. If you just want more understanding on the book of Revelations, honestly, I'm gonna put this YourFavMD specials. Pastor Chris has taken his time. Oh my gosh, thank God for Pastor Chris. Thank God for Pastor Chris, because I've honestly never studied the book of Revelations. I have no reason, honestly. I've just heard of what goes on there, but I've just never studied it. And to have this wonderful opportunity of it being explained to me, having the chance to read it, has been chef's kiss. So yeah, I'll put the links of all the days in the description for as long as I can find them. I think they will be on YouTube, so I'll put all the links, day 1 to day 5. And in case, I don't know, if you like watching may not be what you want to do, I have all the notes, like full notes. So if you want the notes, please feel free to DM me on Instagram or Twitter, and I'll send you all the notes, day 1 to day 5, full notes, all the scriptures, everything Pastor said, and all of that stuff. I hope that blesses you. I hope you have more insight, more understanding of the book of Revelation in this time. It's not something to be afraid of, honestly. So much that has come to us, this prophecy. So yeah, I have to study my notes, and then it will be time for YourFavMD. I have to join for YourFavMD. Today is the final day, so it's probably going to finish later than the rest of the days, but I do plan to finish editing my vlog for not this coming week, the other week. So yeah, let's get to work.
Down in my soul, in every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of
guys, 6 assignments, and I did that. So this assignment is due on Monday. Today is Saturday, and yeah, 6 assignments. I did it. When I did the first 5, it was like a walk in the park. The last one, I was ready to give up, but we did it. I just printed out, it was handwritten, so I just printed out the cover, and yeah, that is that. I thought I should stop the vlog here. This week is week 4 of the current rotation, which is public health, and it doesn't seem like what I was looking forward to is gonna happen, which was the field trips that I told you about earlier in the vlog, because this is week 4. We have 1 more week of learning and then exam week, and it just doesn't seem like that's happening. So my experience, it was normal because I had lectures as usual, but I was looking forward to field trips, of course, because that's something outside the usual of like our learning arrangement. So that was that has been public health. I've had, I think, should have had 8 lectures by now, but it hasn't been up to 8. But yeah, that is that. If you got this far into the vlog, thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. I believe you enjoyed it. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next one. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now, hit the like button and leave a comment which was your favorite part of this vlog. See you in my next one.